First, let's listen the music stars. Next, look at the sheet music and start reading together. Let's start reading from right hand. First line. E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F. G, F, G, F, E. D, E, D, E, D, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D. Second line, right hand, C and G, F and G, E, G, F, F, C and E. Let's move to the left hand first line, C and G, C and G, F and G, F and G. Move to second line, E, F, E, F, E, F, E, F, D, E, D, E, D, C, E, D, D, C and G. Let's see the finger positions and start playing. Place your both hand on C and G. Your right hand starts from E. 1, 2, 3, 4.